Hello guys, so welcome back to the other video. So this is second video uh, in learning of C++. So in previous video, I told you about the use case of hash include ice stream using namespace std, what is int main, what other libraries are included in std standard libraries, what are functions that are included in standard libraries, and many more like what are variables, data types, and I discussed you with the uh, data types such as integer, float, where char, double, etc. I told you what is return zero means and what is the use case of return zero. How can we use it in the means uh, obviously in the program or code. So the use case of return zero in functions and classes we will discuss later. So today in this video we are going to just cover up operators in C++. Sorry, uh, operators in C++. So what are operators? Operators are the signs through which we can do multiple things such as addition, subtraction, division, increment, decrement, logical operators, arithmetic operators. There are many more operators. Total of 6 operators are there in C++. Okay, there are 6 operators in C++. So first is that we will discuss is arithmetic operator. So what is arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations on operands. Operands could be the variables which we are dealing with. For example, plus is used for addition, minus is used for subtraction, and the star symbol is used for multiplication. Arithmetic operators can be classified into two types. Mainly, there are two types of arithmetic operators. Unary operators. These operators or unary operators work on single operator. For example, increment or decrement operator. These work on single operand. Means we take a variable, let's say a, we are declaring a value for a in integer form, and we are incrementing or means increasing or decreasing the value by value of a by any value. It could be plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, any value, plus n minus n. Second is unary. First is unary operator. Second is binary operator. So binary operator or work with two operands such as plus, minus, multiplication, division that I discussed you earlier. One is division operator, modulo operator. Modulo operator and division operator. These are similar but gives a different value. So first let's talk about increment and decrement operator. Basically unary operator. So let me declare a variable a. So a, I declared a value and I am taking input a, value of a as an input. You all know how to take input, and let me just do one thing. Goes to like this. I took a as an input. Let me show you once the program is working properly. A is 2. Okay. Now I want to use increment or decrement operator. So let me just see out. Okay. A plus plus, see out plus plus a, and see out a minus minus. I'll discuss with you all what is the use case of writing like this. See what I did. Let me run this. Let me just run the program and I'll let you know later. First, let us see what are these operators. So 1 second, I didn't add and here also and and more, and fine, perfect. Let's just run this program and giving the value for a 7. So means you have to guess the result, what it could be. If you are guessing the result by your own means, you are giving an effort. So let's just run. Or let us discuss first of all. A plus plus and plus plus A means first value, then increment. First increment, then value. Okay, let's just run this. A7. Now, first see out value of A, then increment. We get 7. Or we got 9. We got 9 through this. What just happened? We first increment is see out or print the value of A, that was 7. Then we increment the value, means 7 is now 8. We increment the value by 1, 7 is now 8. Now it comes to second on ninth line of code. It is showing a cout plus plus. First increment, then print. Now, what is the value of A? Now, what is the value of A? The value of A is now 8. You first 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. Then print the value of A. A is 9. I got 9. Now, what is value of A? First print the value of A. A is 9. Then decrement 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 1 8. And I got then again minus here this. From here I got 8. Then I subtract 1 from 8, that is 7. Then I got 7. I'll make it clear more. First print A, then increment 3 and 2. Increment. From here, first increment, then print. From here, first print, first print, then decrement. Minus minus is decrement operator. And finally, first decrement, then. I hope you all are clear now what is the use case of writing operators like this. Increment decrement operator are very easy. I won't say these are very tough, and I won't means let you in means different state of mind, because increment decrement or unary operators are very means fun to do, and these are very easy. Now we move to the binary operator, or we can say double operand operator. So how do we do this? We all know we create two variables, int a, sorry, a we already created, int bc, int b and c. We are taking input b, then input c, then we are taking c out. What we are writing? A and sorry, not a, b and c is b and c is first b, then c, and then no, I don't need this. I just want to add b plus c. See, from here I took b and c as an input, then I'm adding them, b and c. Simply I'm adding them. Let me just comment this whole code. You all get to know what is this, and there is no need of commenting this code. Line of code. B and C I created two variables, then I took B and C as an input, then I'm doing plus, here I will do minus, means I'll do minus, then multiplication, division, modulo, add, subtract, minus, multiplication, modulo, division. I did subtraction twice, division. So you will got to know this now. So we have to take an ender also. We'll copy this, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So simple, perfect. From here you will get to know directly what binary operators also. So let me just clear this now. So, so I'm taking, first of all, this code is running. This code is running. I'll take a value like say 7. Okay, okay. You might be wondering why this code line of code didn't work, because we are using after this code we are declaring return 0, we are writing return 0. In previous video I told you what is return 0, so we have to take it as last. We have to means return 0 at last every time. 0. Sorry guys, now you will see 7. Now we have to take input two values B and C. Let's say I'm taking 5 and 4. So I took 5 and 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. And 5 divided by 4. As I am dealing with integer, so it would give me integer part of division. 5 divided by 4 is 1.2 something. So it is giving me 1 because I'm dealing with integer part. If I'm taking float, then the result would be something else. 5 into 4 is 20, and at last 5 divided by 1. So remainder, if we do simply do 5 divided by 4, simple division, then we get at last remainder to be 1. So we are getting 1 remainder. I should format my code much more properly. Okay, I'm taking and L for describing or my code much more properly. So in this video, I covered arithmetic operator, both unary and binary. In next video, I'll cover the second operator, which is relation operator or relational operator and logical operator. So these two operators I will cover in next video. I hope you got to know much more. Your concepts with arithmetic operators are now clear. I wish you understood properly from this video. Hope you do it, and if you like this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe the channel. Okay, so if you want to share a video, please feel free to share this video and let them subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys.